Echoes of the Past, an introduction to ancient cultures and paganism. The world of antiquity shimmers with a rich tapestry of cultures. Each thread represents unique beliefs and practices. Among these, paganism stands out. It's not a single religion, but a broad term. It encompasses diverse spiritual traditions. These traditions honor nature and the cycles of life and death. Imagine a time before organized religion. People looked to the natural world for answers. They observed the sun's journey, the moon's phases, and the changing seasons. These natural phenomena became deities. They were worshipped and appeased. Paganism, at its core, is about connection. It connects humanity to the natural world. It acknowledges the power of the earth and the cosmos. It celebrates the cycles of life, death, and rebirth. Today, remnants of these ancient beliefs can be found across the globe. They whisper to us through standing stones, ancient myths, and echoes of forgotten rituals. These echoes offer a glimpse into the past. They remind us of humanity's enduring fascination with the sacred and the unknown. The dawn of ritual origins and significance of pagan practices. The origins of pagan rituals are shrouded in the mists of time. They predate written history. Evidence suggests that ritualistic practices emerged organically. They were a natural response to the world's mysteries. Early humans observed the patterns of nature. They witnessed the life-giving power of the sun and the rain. They also feared the destructive forces of storms and droughts. These natural phenomena inspired awe and fear. This led to the development of rituals. These rituals aimed to appease these powerful forces. These early rituals were often simple. They involved offerings of food, drink, or other valuable items. They were performed in sacred groves by rivers or in caves. These places were believed to be potent with spiritual energy. Over time, these rituals became more elaborate. They incorporated music, dance, and storytelling. They evolved into complex systems of belief. These systems helped ancient people make sense of the world around them. A tapestry of traditions, unique customs across ancient cultures. The world of ancient paganism was not monolithic. It was a vibrant tapestry of diverse cultures. Each culture had its own unique set of beliefs and practices. The ancient Egyptians, for example, revered the Nile River. They saw it as the source of all life. Their rituals and festivals were timed to coincide with the river's annual flood cycle. They worshipped a pantheon of gods and goddesses. These deities embodied different aspects of nature and human experience. The ancient Celts, on the other hand, venerated trees and forests. They believed that these places were inhabited by spirits. Their rituals often took place in sacred groves. These groves were marked by special trees or rock formations. The Celts celebrated seasonal festivals. These festivals marked important points in the agricultural calendar. From the sun-drenched plains of Greece to the mist-shrouded hills of Ireland, each ancient culture developed its own unique expression of paganism. These traditions, though diverse, shared a common thread. They all recognized the sacredness of the natural world and humanity's interconnectedness with it. Section 4. The Pulse of Ancient Life: Why Rituals Mattered. In the ancient world, rituals were not merely symbolic acts. They were the very pulse of life. They played a vital role in the social, political, and spiritual fabric of ancient societies. One of the primary functions of rituals was to ensure the fertility of the land and the prosperity of the community. Agricultural societies relied heavily on the success of their crops. They performed elaborate rituals to appease the gods and goddesses associated with fertility and abundance. Rituals also served to mark important life events. Births, deaths, marriages, and coming-of-age ceremonies were all marked by specific rituals. These rituals helped individuals navigate these transitions and find their place within the community. Moreover, rituals provided a sense of order and stability in a world that often felt chaotic and unpredictable. They offered a framework for understanding the world and humanity's place within it. They provided comfort and solace in times of hardship. Section 5. Echoes in the Present: Lasting Influences on Modern Culture. Though the ancient world has long since faded, the echoes of pagan beliefs and practices continue to resonate in modern culture. From the names of our weekdays to the celebrations we hold dear, the influence of ancient paganism is surprisingly pervasive. Take, for instance, the names of our days of the week: Tuesday is named after the Norse god Tyr, Wednesday after Woden, Thursday after Thor, and Friday after Frigg. Similarly, many of our modern holidays, such as Christmas and Easter, have roots in ancient pagan festivals. The influence of paganism can also be seen in our art, literature, and music. From Shakespeare's plays to Wagner's operas, ancient myths and archetypes continue to inspire artists and storytellers. Section 6. The Enduring Legacy, a Timeless Tapestry of Belief and Practice. The enduring legacy of ancient pagan traditions lies not just in their tangible remnants, but also in their intangible influence on our worldview. The core tenets of paganism, reverence for nature, respect for the cycles of life and death, and the interconnectedness of all things, continue to hold relevance in the modern world. Perhaps the most significant legacy of paganism is its emphasis on living in harmony with nature. In a time of increasing environmental awareness, the ancient wisdom of respecting the earth and its resources has never been more relevant. Furthermore, paganism's focus on the cyclical nature of life and death offers a different perspective on mortality. It encourages us to see death not as an end, but as a natural part of a continuous cycle of birth, growth, decay, and renewal. Section 7. Conclusion. Ancient whispers in a modern world. As we navigate the complexities of the 21st century, the whispers of ancient paganism offer a timeless source of wisdom and inspiration. They remind us of our deep connection to the natural world, the importance of ritual and ceremony in our lives, and the enduring power of myth and storytelling.